I just wanted to share something for everybody out there who's trying to push maximum speed out of their vehicles. This is a case, Makita tool case. I'll explain it first. This is a cheap eBay controller, temperature controller. Inside of here, this tape is coming off. I haven't used it for a while. This is like a Dynamat material, the reflective tape, anything to just kind of keep the heat in. Underneath here is an aluminum plate, and this is my heating element choice. There's the power supply for it. A couple fans to circulate the air. On the bottom of this plate are, I believe I ran 4 sets of motorcycle grip heaters. That was kind of the cheapest way to get some resistive heat that also had a decent current limit. Not so decent. This thing actually pulls, I believe it was like 18 amps when it's running. But I'll turn the switch on. The beeping you're going to hear is my chargers and such. So those are the fans. This whole panel gets warm. Close that, you don't need to hear that. And then I have the controller on here, and it's just sensing the ambient air temperature. Let's see what it gets to. I can't remember what I set it to. So I have it set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This controller, the tuning's not great, and it's the plate's heating up and the air is circulating. So it chops off at 100 degrees. It's going to overshoot a little bit, and it'll drop back down to 100 and kick on and off. I don't know if I mentioned these grip heaters, the motorcycle grip heaters, they're like a resistive flat element. I forget how I adhered them to the back of this plate. There may even be sandwiched between 2 plates. It's been a while. But yeah, so the heat, this pad gets extra hot. Fans blow it around. This guy senses the temperature. But yeah, preheating my batteries to 100 degrees Fahrenheit for my boats before I run them. The boats drain the batteries in less than 3 minutes of full speed passes, spread out over like maybe 6 passes. And before I started using this thing, my batteries would puff a little bit. Nothing they couldn't recover. They weren't permanently puffed, but yeah, and they would come off hot. Preheating to 100 degrees. When I'm done with my runs, the batteries have actually cooled off. The boat's faster, measurably faster, and yeah, 0 puffing, because the electronic, let me state this more clearly. The chemical process that releases the electrical energy is a chemical process, and catalysts make chemical processes happen more quickly, and heat is a catalyst for the generation of electricity in lithium batteries. So by putting in this catalyst of heat energy ahead of time, you can get more out of your batteries while making your life easier for your batteries, and your batteries will last longer. Hey, little guy.